Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Fiat Punto, a hatchback that combines style, performance, and practicality. Fiat has reimagined the Punto for 2025, blending its signature Italian flair with modern design elements. The exterior is sleek and sporty, featuring sharp LED headlights, a bold grille, and a sculpted hood that gives the car a dynamic presence. With a variety of vibrant color options and stylish alloy wheels, the new Punto is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Under the hood, Fiat offers a choice of powertrains, including a fuel-efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged engine and an eco-friendly hybrid variant. The Punto delivers a smooth driving experience, perfect for city commutes and weekend getaways. Agile handling and responsive steering make navigating tight corners a breeze, while its compact size ensures effortless parking in crowded urban spaces. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin filled with thoughtful details. Premium materials, ergonomic seats, and a modern dashboard layout create a comfortable and refined atmosphere. The 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeps you connected on the go. Plus, advanced features like wireless charging and customizable ambient lighting add a touch of luxury. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Punto. Equipped with Fiat's latest driver assistance technologies, it includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work seamlessly to ensure you and your passengers stay safe on the road. And now, let's talk pricing. Fiat has positioned the Punto competitively, offering great value for money. Whether you're a first-time buyer or upgrading your daily driver, this hatchback is an excellent choice. The 2025 Fiat Punto strikes the perfect balance between style, performance, and affordability. It's a car designed for modern lifestyles, blending practicality with Italian charm. If you're as excited about this car as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branded Cars for more updates on the latest automotive trends. See you in the next video.